So what's great about this $25 wireless earbuds? Well, when you look at what you want from this, like sound, battery, features, design and lightweight, yeah, that's what we'll cover in this video. Hey, what's up guys, I'm Hans here, Banggood channel. Recently I have been scrolling the website and I found this earbud from Lenovo, so I decided to come up with this video. I hope you enjoy watching, subscribing to the channel and liking the video. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please do not hesitate to comment my team and I will appreciate that. Thank you. Frankly, I was expecting a deeper bass when I first time played the music because I like a little bit heavier sound, but after some time I start to enjoy listening to the tune. I realized that there's a little bit less bass with the smaller silicone ear tips, so I replaced them with the middle-sized ones. After that, the earbud sound is perfect with the right amount of bass and treble. Also, I hear a lot of music and all kinds, and the way they sound out of the box is just fine. The earbuds feature a Bluetooth 5.0 chip, offering a 10-meter connectivity range. When you open the case, the earbuds will automatically pair with your smartphone, and when it's closed, they will automatically disconnect it and turn it off. Shortly touch to answer or decline the phone call. Touch for 2 seconds to reject the phone call. Call Siri by touching the panel for 1.5 seconds. Shortly touch to play and pause the music. Touch for 2 times to decrease or increase the volume. Touch for 3 times to play the next or previous music. The battery very decent. I played the music non-stop for 2.5 hours and charged them 3 times with this portable charging case. The charging case comes with 300 milliampere battery. When you open the case, you can see how much battery you have from this LED display. The buds sit inside very secure over a magnetic lock, and there is a Type-C port for fast charging. The minimal earbud design, very light in weight, 6mm speaker on earbuds. I don't know how much weighing in grams, but when you wear, it stays perfectly in the ear. There are 3 rubber silicone ear tips, small, medium and large one. Each ear tip is made to fit into different ear type. There are touch sensor, a golden look ring and the Lenovo logo. At the side, there is a microphone hole and magnetic charging pins from the inner side. The charging case is small enough to fit in the coin pocket of your skinny jeans. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Have a good time. Peace.